Binary acids are molecular compounds in which a hydrogen is chemically combined with a second non-metallic element. The names of the binary acids begin with the prefix hydro, and it's followed by the name of the nonmetal, with one little modification. You're going to modify the end of the element name with the suffix ic acid. Now let's run down the naming of each of the binary acids. Remember, we're going to have a prefix hydro, and then we're going to add the suffix ic acid. So the first one, this is fluorine. We would call this hydrofluoric acid. Next we have chlorine. We would call this hydrochloric acid. Next we have bromine, hydrobromic acid. Next we have iodine. We would say hydroiodic acid. When it comes to acid strength in chemistry, you have to remember acids dissociate or they break apart into hydrogen